Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Splunk Cloud REST API using tokens, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Splunk Cloud REST API using tokens, begin by navigating to the Splunk Cloud platform. Log into your Splunk Cloud account using your credentials. Once logged in, access the API documentation to understand the required parameters and endpoint. Locate the section related to token-based authentication. Generate a new access token within the Splunk Cloud interface. Ensure you save the generated token securely, as it will be needed for API calls. Open your preferred API client or terminal. Set your request method to POST, as you will be sending requests to the API. Enter the URL for the Splunk Cloud API endpoint that requires authentication. Include the necessary headers in your request. In the headers, add an authorization field. Set the value of the authorization field to bearer followed by a space and then your generated token. Prepare your API request body, if required, depending on the endpoint you are accessing. Send your API request to the Splunk Cloud platform. Check the response to ensure the authentication was successful. Review the returned data carefully to confirm access. If any errors occur, revisit the API documentation for troubleshooting steps. Once authenticated, you can now interact with other endpoints securely. Use your token to continue making API calls as needed. Remember to rotate your tokens periodically for enhanced security. Implement proper error handling in your code to manage potential authentication issues. For production environments, consider implementing a secure storage solution for your tokens. With these steps completed, you are now set to authenticate with the Splunk Cloud REST API using tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.